10 by 20, 3-axis Acer surface grinder with incremental down feed, new in 1992. It's got a 8 by 20 Walker electromagnetic chuck pulling on power. Taking power, demagnetizing. Bringing the power on, spindle very quiet. Bringing hydraulic on. Starting cable movement. Automatic left to right, automatic in and out, and after each pass, it'll incremental down. Speed it up. Plunge, and we'll show you a close-up of it incrementing. With each pass back and forth, it automatically comes down. That's the incremental down feed in a plunge mode. Going back to surface grind. And now it's in a regular 3-axis mode. You can also control the movement of the feed, short increments in,